Ano pong name nila?
Ryan Andrada po.
Age po.
22 years old.
Ilang taon na po ay nagtatrabaho dito?
Magto 2 years na po.
Ano pong favorite thing about being a bartender?
Siguro sa sa paggawa ng mga cocktail para sa mga customer, lalo na pag nasarapan sila sa mga timpla namin.
What are the top 3 must-have quality of being a bartender?
Siguro sa pagiging malinis sa pwesto and pag-communicate sa mga customer, tsaka lalo na sa pagtimpla, yun yung pinakamahalaga. Kasi kailangan masarapan sila sa timpla namin.
Ano pong unforgettable moment nyo as a bartender?
Siguro kapag nako-compliment ng mga customer, yan, the best talaga.
Tips naman po para sa mga aspiring na bartender.
Siguro pag naging bartender sila, nila yung pagiging malinis ng area talaga. Then siguro sa paggawa ng cocktail, pag-isipan nila ng maayos, ganun. Lalo din sa pag-communicate talaga ng customer. Kasi yun yung pinakamahalaga.
Ano yung pinaka-favorite drink na ginagawa nyo?
Dito, yung lychee cobbler namin, tsaka yung pink styles. Yes.
Sir, pwedeng po-order ng isang lychee cup.
Okay, sige po. Balik kami na lang dito.
Thank you.
Sexy ladies want power with us, you know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us, they get next with us, them not vex with us. Sexy ladies want power with us, you know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us, they get next with us, them not vex with us. Get busy, just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop, just keep swinging it, get jiggy, get drunk up, percolate anything you want, because it's oscillating, but don't take pity. Want to see you get live on the rhythm of my ride, and my lyrics up provide electricity. Girl, nobody can do you nothing, cause you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want power with us, you know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us, to get next with us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame, girl, I call my name, and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on, till I earn them on, let's get it on. It's all good, girl, turn me on. It's all good, girl, turn me on. It's all good, girl, turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on. It's all good, girl, turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on. Take that thing, bitch, kinda. Take that thing, bitch, kinda. Take that thing, yeah, da. Take that thing, yeah. Jody and Rebecca.
Ano po mga ingredients sa ginawa nyong cocktail lychee cobbler?
Isang tequila, lychee syrup, and lychee liquor, tsaka lemon, and sugar syrup.
Ano pong background ng lychee cobbler na cocktail?
Ito kasi sariling gawa namin So, siguro ilang beses ko lang din pinag-experimentan yan, tapos na-perfect naman na patok naman sa mga customer namin.
Okay, sariling gawa.
Kaya naging siya bestseller. Masarap talaga.
Thank you po.
Sexy ladies want power with us, you know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us, they get next with us.
So what's up guys? Ako nga pala si John Denver Ibanez. Ako nga pala si
Tari Irving.
Magandang gabi nga sir. Yo, what up? Ako nga pala si John Denver Ibanez. Ito nga pala ang mga klase ko. Pakilala to.
Totoo maalam ba?
Oh.
Orcaldio ng Tonyo. 2.5 BSHM.
Ano ba yung iba? Lumilog.
Class ko.
Wala. Sino po kayo?
Nep.